Oh my God. What? I love it. I love it. Love at first sniff. What? What's up, guys? This is your winged lady, and I'm back today again with another beautiful video. Yeah! Don't mind me. Hi, guys. How are you doing? I hope you're doing well because winged lady is doing so good. Okay? Okay. So guys, if you are on the internet, except you live under a rock, if you are on the internet, you must have been hearing about Choco Musk soft, Choco Musk soft, Choco Musk soft. Everywhere it overtook the perfume community like a storm. Everyone was talking about Choco Musk and soft. And the thing about hyped perfumes, guys, I don't like to jump into hypes. Sometimes I see that some are popular, oh yeah, for good reason. But most times when they hype perfumes, it doesn't usually give what it's supposed to give. And I was scared because I don't want to be buying perfumes that I don't like. But I had to try it for you guys. You know, you've been wanting review of Choco Musk for a long time now. So here we go. Now today we are going to do the unboxing. I haven't smelt it before. I just blind bought it. Choco Musk soft and one other Rehab perfume because I can't do a haul with just 2 perfumes, right? So I just got one more. Rehab perfumes are kind of scarce to find, so I got one more. And I've heard that this one too is fire, like it's bomb. So today we are gonna find out if it's worth your money or not. So this is Choco Musk Rehab. This is soft. And the last but not the least, this is Distance. I heard that this one is so good. Like it's so sweet, it's so this, it's so that. I cannot wait to find out. I cannot wait. So which one should we try first? Choco Musk, of course. Choco Musk. Choco Musk, because I want to smell it myself and see what the hype is all about. It doesn't come with a protective cover or nylon or plastic covering. It doesn't come with that. It just comes in this box. You can just open it like so and get your perfume. So this is 50 mils. I hear it comes in perfume oils too. Wow, nice. It comes in perfume oils too, and I hear the oil is actually more concentrated, which is right, because the perfume oil version of a perfume will definitely be more concentrated than just the perfume version. So that makes sense, right? So this is it. I got my hands on it finally. I want to know if the hype is real. Oh, that is keyed in very tightly. All right. First impressions on unboxing. Okay, let's do this. Okay, let me smell it. Oh, wow. It's so comforting. Oh my God. It is so comforting. It's like a warm mug of chocolate. Yeah, like it's a cold morning and you're out in your sitting room. You need something to warm your system up. So you boil water and you just add some chocolate, some Milo, some milk, and then you hold it towards your chest, that comforting feeling. I get why people like it. It smells like freaking chocolate, you guys. Like a chocolate drink, like a chocolate milk drink, like Milo. Like when you pour hot water in Milo, that comforting smell that wafts. That's exactly how it smells. But I don't think it's going to stay long. I don't think it's going to be very long lasting. Nice. It's just comforting. It's just like a milk drink. It's exactly how they said. Although it's nice. It's a pretty good perfume. It's quality, but what's the hype? I mean, it's good, but it's not so special. We have other perfumes that have this DNA. There's black opium that smells somehow like that too. There's the only one too, or the first one, I think the only one that smells like that too. This cacao, this cocoa goodness, chocolatey thing going on. We've smelt it before too. I don't know why people like this one so much. Maybe because it's comforting. Well, Choco Musk, it's nice. It's okay. You can buy it. Yeah, you can buy it. It's nice. The second one, soft. I love the bottle on this one. I mean, look at that. Okay, pop up. Okay. Oh, this one doesn't key as much as the Choco Mosquito. Okay. Blind smelling this. I've never smelt it before. I have no idea how it smells. Oh my God. What? I love it. I love it. Love at first sniff. What? This one deserves the hype. I'm into it. This one, this soft. It's not soft. Oh my God. I love it so much. This is signature scent worthy. If someone were to ask me, close your eyes, pick a signature scent, fast, I think I might choose this. This is, wow. It's fruity sweet, then it's citrusy or lemony. I think it's lemony because that freshness comes through like really fast. Oh my God. This is good. Guys, no, girls, because I don't know if you're a guy and you like sweet scents, get this. But my ladies, rush now, go and buy this one. I don't know about the rest. Buy this one. This is what? Let me not talk too much. A review is coming. Do you guys want to see a review of this Rehab perfumes? Because this is just unboxing and I'm blown away. I am blown away. I know that sometimes perfume, you need them to stay a little to be able to judge how. But this soft, I have fallen in love at first sniff, and that is it. It is so fresh. You guys know I like fresh scents, right? After sweet scents, fresh scents are the next on my list. This one is so freaking fresh and then sweet. Yes, I love it. I love it. Buy this one. I love it. Yes. Ooh, yes. Now, the last but not the least, this one. Distance. I don't know. Guys, our Rehab. Okay, I might actually be buying more of their perfumes because they are busting my brain. Okay, this is Distance by our Rehab. So we're gonna blind smell this one too. Wow, the cap on this one's just really key. Distance. Wow, that soft did me something. Okay, blind smelling Distance. Blind smelling this as well. Oh, our Rehab has unlocked the secret to sweet smelling Middle Eastern bombs. because that's the only thing I can describe. Is that it smells so good. Okay, this one is like Berries Weekend and Mosuf Wadi. Mix Berries Weekend and Mosuf Wadi. You know that kind of juicy sweetness that you get? This is what you have in Distance. Oh my God, it's actually very nice. And it's soft and it's sweet. I mean, it didn't hit me with a punch like soft. Yeah, but this is really good too. Wow. If you have these three perfumes, ladies, pop off. Enter anywhere or layer any of this together. Guys, I know. I promised you layering combination videos. It's still coming. It's still coming. But you guys, this is sweet. This is Mosuf Wadi plus Berries Weekend Pink Edition. And you know I love those kind of sweet things. I live for those kind of perfumes. Wow. Yes. Say what? Yes, all three perfumes you can buy. You can definitely buy. But if I were to recommend which one you should buy first, buy this one first. Yes, definitely buy this one first. Buy this one second, then buy this one third. I don't know. I'm not really buying into the hype of this one. It wasn't as, but guys, they are good. I'm going to try and find links for you down. As usual now, your girl got you. I'm going to link the ones I can find. If they are still in stock, I'm going to list them down in the description box for you guys. I'm a soft girl. Guys, wow, 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 wow. I am not disappointed at all. I am not disappointed at all. Let me know if you want to see a full review on whichever one of them you want to see a full review. I know there are still lots of perfumes that I want to review for you guys, but we'll take it slow. We'll take it slow. Oh my God. Yeah, I'm in a good mood. I'm in a good mood. Thank you so much for watching. Please like the video if you enjoyed it. Please subscribe to my channel for more. And until next time, because I'm dramatic as. Until next time. Ciao.